When you're looking to invest in property management software, Rainey Property Management is one option you should consider. But before you take the plunge, here are 12 things you need to know about it. Some of these features are great, but you'll also want to know how it stacks up against the competition. The first thing you'll notice about Rainey is its user-friendly interface. It's designed for property managers of all experience levels, offering easy navigation and simple setup. But while it's easy to use, it might not be as customizable as other platforms like Appfolio or Buildium, which offer more flexibility. Next thing to consider is the pricing structure. Rainey provides a tiered system that can fit businesses of all sizes. However, depending on the package, it can get quite costly compared to alternatives that offer flat rate pricing with unlimited properties. Third thing is the support Rainey offers. They provide 24/7 customer service, which is a great feature for peace of mind. But some users have reported slow response times, especially during peak periods, which could be a drawback if you're used to the more immediate service from competitors. The fourth thing to keep in mind is the accounting tools. Rainey offers robust financial management features, including invoice tracking and expense reporting. While these tools are solid, other software solutions, like Rentec Direct, may offer more in-depth financial features, especially when it comes to tax reporting. Next thing is the automation features. Rainey allows you to automate various tasks, like rent reminders and maintenance requests, which can save you time. However, when compared to others like Propertyware, its automation capabilities might feel a little limited. The sixth thing to know is the mobile app. Rainey does offer a mobile app, but it's not as comprehensive as other apps from platforms like Appfolio or Buildium, where you can do nearly everything on the go. The seventh thing is the integrations Rainey supports. While it integrates with several third-party apps like QuickBooks, it's not as wide-ranging as some competitors, which support a greater number of integrations, especially when it comes to marketing or tenant screening services. Next thing to consider is the tenant portal. Rainey offers a decent portal for tenants to pay rent and submit maintenance requests, but it lacks some of the advanced features that other software like Rentec Direct or Tenant Cloud provide, such as tenant credit score tracking. The ninth thing is the property management features. Rainey excels in the basics, tracking leases, handling maintenance issues, and managing rents. But when compared to something like Appfolio, it lacks some of the more specialized features, like automatic lease renewals and detailed property analytics. The 10th thing is the reporting capabilities. Rainey does have a set of standard reports, but it's not as customizable as competitors like Buildium, where you can create tailored reports for more specific needs. The 11th thing you should know is about the scalability. Rainey can handle both small and mid-sized property portfolios, but if you're growing your business or managing a large portfolio, you might find its features limiting compared to other software that's built for scaling like Appfolio. And finally, Rainey's updates and new features. The software does get regular updates, but they tend to be less frequent and less impactful than the rapid innovation you see with competitors like Buildium, who are constantly introducing new features. So, is Rainey Property Management software a good option? Yes, it offers solid features for smaller businesses, but if you're looking for a more feature-rich and flexible solution, there are better options out there. If you're interested in something more comprehensive, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.